Get ready for the outdoors with the Nitecore EMR series of mosquito repellers. Say hello to the EMR05, 06, 10, 20, 30 SE, and 40.
These incredible devices use heat to activate a chemical, creating a 16-foot protection zone in just 10 minutes of activation.
The EMR05 is the lightest of the bunch, weighing in at just 1.4 ounces and driven by plug-in power. Pair this option with a power bank for a mobile bug stopper, or use an extension cord and plug it in your backyard.
The EMR06 comes in at 2.5 ounces. It supports 3.5-hour runtimes thanks to its 1800 milliamp hour battery pack. This model works great on summertime walks, parties, bonfires, or any other fun outdoor activity.
The EMR10 weighs about 5.3 ounces and runs on two 21700 Nitecore batteries with a 12-hour runtime on each charge. It has power bank capability, meaning if you're like me and you're always running out of power on your phone, you can recharge in a pinch. Ultrasonic frequencies repel skunks, mice, and cockroaches. When it comes to camping, the EMR10 is a top-of-the-line choice.
Next, the EMR20 is 8 ounces and has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack that supports it with 12 hours of runtime. This one also works like a power bank if you gotta charge your phone in a pinch.
The newest models in the EMR series are the EMR30 SE powered by USB or the battery pack-driven EMR40. These are great for hiking, camping, and fishing trips alike, especially if you have a power bank on hand. These models provide the same protections as the rest of the series and are optimized for EDC use.
Mix and match your favorite EMR repeller and power bank solutions at BatteryJunction.com.
Check out the description down below for links to all of these products.